In 15 days, Earth picks up 1.2 into 10 raised to 8 kg of dust from the atmosphere. In how many days will it pick up 4.8 into 10 raised to 8 kg of dust? Here in exam you can directly do it. 10 raised to 8, 10 raised to 8 means both are same. 1.2 and 4.8. 12 for the 48. So 4 times. So dust increases 4 times, days will increase 4 times. So 60 days. That's the simplest method of doing it. But I'll explain you now in direct proportions. See, the problem is of days versus kg, right? Now if more days means more kg is given, then more days would be required, right? More kg means more days. Okay. So D directly proportional to weight means kg. So D equals to kW. K is constant. 15 equals to K into 1.2 into 10 raised to 8. So K equals to what? 15 upon 1.2 into 10 raised to 8. Okay. Next. Therefore D equals to what? Instead of K we will write 15 upon 1.2 into 10 raised to 8 into W. Right? Now next. What we want? We want to remove the this weight of 4.8 into 10 raised to 8 kg. So D equals to 15 upon the same 1.2 into 10 raised to 8 into W means 4.8 into 10 raised to 8. 10 raised to 8 gets cancelled. 1.2 remove these points. So 12 and 48. 12 on the 12 for the 15 for the 60.